Changing careers can open doors to incredible opportunities, but many fear starting from scratch. However, there are valuable transferable skills that can help you stand out to an employer even if you don't have any experience in an industry. In this guide, we'll explain what are transferable skills and give you examples that you can highlight on your resume. What are transferable skills? Transferable skills are those you can use in any job regardless of the industry. Think of them as tools in your professional toolkit gained from various work experiences. In today's ever-evolving job market, transferable skills are testament to a candidate's multifaceted potential and are crucial for navigating career changes. They signal a candidate's ability to not just specialize but also adapt, grow and transition across diverse industries and roles. Some of their benefits include versatility in multiple industries to increased employability and smooth career transitions. Additionally, transferable skills are typically classified into two categories, hard and soft. Both are essential, but they have distinct characteristics that set them apart. Hard transferable skills are tangible, teachable abilities or knowledge sets that can be quantified. They often stem from education, specialized training or specific work experiences. These include the following. Project management. Project management is highly valued. It involves overseeing tasks from start to finish, meeting deadlines and adapting when things change. Consider a project coordinator from construction, adept at managing timelines and resources. These project management skills can be vital when transitioning to tech startups, where they streamline software development cycles, ensuring timely updates and releases. Analytical reasoning. Analytical reasoning is part of problem solving and helps break complex problems into manageable parts. Envision a financial analyst using analytical reasoning to optimize investment portfolios. These skills can be equally valuable in healthcare management, where they analyze patient data to improve care delivery and resource allocation. Computer and IT knowledge. Basic IT skills such as software familiarity are valuable in today's workplace. They save time and make you a more self-sufficient employee. Take an IT professional proficient in database management. This technical savvy can pivot to retail, utilizing data analytics to refine inventory systems, enhancing efficiency and customer satisfaction. Foreign language proficiency. Ability to speak, read and write in one or more foreign languages. Imagine a tour guide fluent in multiple languages. This linguistic dexterity translates seamlessly into customer service roles in tech, where they can support diverse clients, bridging cultural and communication gaps. In contrast, soft transferable skills, often termed people skills or interpersonal skills, are more abstract in nature. These skills, like effective communication, empathy, and teamwork, are universally sought after. They're the oil that keeps the engine of any business running smoothly, regardless of the industry. These include the following. Communication. Communication is crucial in any job. It's about expressing ideas clearly and ensuring others understand precisely. Picture a journalist who's mastered the art of clear communication. These skills can be indispensable in IT, where they convey complex technical concepts to non-technical stakeholders, ensuring alignment and understanding. Creativity. Creativity isn't limited to artistic pursuits. It's about innovative problem solving and unique approaches to challenges. An interior designer's creativity is not just about aesthetics. In urban planning, their inventive approach can rejuvenate public spaces, making them both functional and inviting for communities. Problem solving. Problem-solving skills help identify, understand and solve issues. A logistics specialist's problem-solving prowess, honed by managing supply chain crises, can be invaluable in tech support, where they navigate system outages, ensuring minimal operational disruption. Critical thinking. Critical thinking involves evaluating information before making judgments or decisions. Critical thinking can be valuable in project management. A detective's critical thinking, used to piece together clues, can be transformative in risk management roles within finance, dissecting market trends to advise on investment strategies. Leadership. Leadership skills extend beyond management. It includes motivating teams, guiding projects and leveraging other skills like communication and problem solving. Consider a school principal's leadership, integral in shaping educational programs. These skills can lead corporate training departments, fostering growth and shaping professional development pathways. In conclusion, transferable skills are your professional assets. They can help you transition to a new career, impress employers, and adapt to an ever-changing job market.